All right, let's jump right in and talk about the Dorm Hustle Playbook. This is all about how you can build a real, legitimate income stream right from your dorm room. All you really need is a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. So let's be real for a second. Are you just over it? You know, tired of juggling your classes with that campus job that pays minimum wage, sets your hours, and honestly just leaves you completely drained? Yeah, let's talk about a much better way to earn money as a student, starting today.
And this slide really nails the difference. The old way, you are stuck with fixed shifts, someone else calling the shots. But the new way, you're in control. You set your own hours, you decide what your work is worth, and your commute is literally from your bed to your desk. It's all about building something that actually works for you and your life.
So you might be wondering, why is all of this even possible right now? Well, it's not some kind of magic trick. It's a huge shift in how the world operates, and it's created this massive opportunity just for students like you.
It's really like the perfect storm. For one, remote work is totally normal now, which means your potential clients are literally everywhere. And second, think about it. You're a digital native. You grew up using these online tools, which gives you this incredible head start. Your dorm room? It's already a fully equipped digital office.
Okay, let's get into the actual playbook. We're going to break down 4 very specific, dorm-friendly hustles that you could seriously start mapping out, like right after you finish watching this.
So here they are. We've got AI-powered freelancing, becoming a digital template seller, editing short-form videos, and working as a virtual assistant. The great thing is each one of these uses skills you probably already have or can pick up really, really fast.
First up, the AI-powered freelancer. Using tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, you can create some seriously high-quality content. We're talking blog posts, social media captions, you name it, for businesses that need it. The secret here isn't being a world-class writer, it's being a great editor of what the AI gives you. You're basically the creative director for your AI assistant. Then you just list your services on places like Fiverr or Upwork.
Next, selling digital templates. And this one is a game changer because it's all about passive income. You know, are you that person in your class with the amazing notes? Or maybe you have a perfectly organized digital planner? Well, you can turn that stuff into a template, pop it on Etsy, and sell it again and again, even while you're sleeping. You do the work just once.
The creator economy is just huge, right? And every single one of those creators needs help. If you can get good with simple tools like CapCut to edit some engaging TikToks or Reels, you have an incredibly in-demand skill. Seriously, creators are desperate for reliable editors who can help them keep up.
And finally, becoming a virtual assistant or a VA. This is absolutely perfect for fitting work into the little gaps in your crazy student schedule. You could be managing an entrepreneur's emails, scheduling their meetings, posting on their social media, all in those free hours you have between classes. All 4 of these are just fantastic options.
Okay, so I can hear some of you thinking, learning a whole new skill on top of my classes? That sounds like a lot. And you know what? That's a totally fair point. But what if you didn't have to? What if you could just get paid for what you already know and do?
Well, that's exactly what this next part is about. This is about looking at your own hobbies, your own skills, and yeah, even your classwork to find the money-making potential that's already sitting right there.
This table makes it super clear. If you love to journal, you can sell printable planners on Etsy. If you're constantly doodling in your notebooks, you could sell digital stickers. Or if you're that friend who reviews every single thing you buy, you can create affiliate content. That's just where you earn a little commission for recommending products you already love. You're just packaging up a passion you already have.
So now you have the idea, but let's be totally honest. A dorm room is not exactly a productivity paradise, right? The biggest challenge isn't going to be the work itself, it's going to be all the distractions. So here's how you actually execute like a CEO from your desk.
The first tool in your toolkit is the focus sprint. This is your new secret weapon, I'm telling you. For just 45 minutes, it is you and one single task. No phone, no social media, 0 distractions. It is incredible what you can get done in these short, intense bursts of deep work.
And then there's task batching. Instead of just randomly answering emails all day, you do them all in one 20-minute block. Instead of creating one social media post, you sit down and create all 7 for the entire week at once. This is how you hustle smarter, by saving your mental energy for the really important stuff.
And here are the tools that are going to power your whole operation. The best part? Most of these have amazing free versions. With tools like Canva for design, Notion for organization, and CapCut for video, you basically have a professional-level tech stack to run your hustle like a pro right from your laptop. Okay, we've gone over the why, the what, and the how. Now comes the single most important part, turning this plan into your actual reality. It's time to make your move.
And I really want to leave you with this idea. The only thing standing between you and earning an income completely on your own terms is a plan. You already have the tools, you have the skills, and now you have the playbook.
If you're feeling fired up and ready to take that next step to get a really detailed walkthrough on launching your dorm hustle, you should visit www.homebizsimple.com. They've got a free masterclass that shows you exactly how to get started. Thanks so much for tuning in.